Hello there foodie, it's your girl Clenum and welcome to my channel. On the menu today we have beef stew. So without wasting your time, let's jump right in. The ingredients that we are going to need are beef, pepper, ginger, some bay leaf and rosemary, garlic, stock cube, paprika, onion, aniseed, tomatoes, and tomato paste. Do not forget that all the ingredients will be in the description box below waiting for you, so make sure you check them out. Let us start with the meat that I am going to steam, and for that I'm going to need to blend 2 onions, my garlic, and my ginger. So now let's add everything to the meat that I obviously previously washed. So I'm going to add some salt, my aniseed, rosemary, some stock cube, and then we're going to add the blended mix and some water. And this is going to cook on the fire for at least 20 minutes. So while that is cooking, we're going to go ahead and prepare the puree that we need for the stew. And for that, I'm going to chop all my tomatoes, my paprika, 1 small onion, and my habanero pepper. And I'm going to blend all this together. And while we are here on the chopping board, why not? Let's also chop the 2 onions that we're going to need to fry the oil for the stew. In the meantime, let's not forget about our meat. As you can see, it's ready. So I'm going to separate it from the stock, and we're going to proceed to fry the meat, and we're going to need the stock later on. So yeah, just grab your frying pan, add your oil, and when it's ready, you throw your meat in there and you fry until it's golden brown. Now grab the pan that you're going to prepare the stew in, put it on a medium to low heat, add your oil, and when the oil is hot enough, just throw your onions in there and fry it for at least 2 to 3 minutes. After that, it will be the turn of our tomato paste that we're going to add, and also let's fry for a couple of minutes before we add our previously prepared puree. Remember the one with the tomatoes, paprika, and so on and so forth. Yeah, we're going to add that, followed by our stock, and then we're going to cook on a medium heat until most of the liquid is evaporated. And do not forget to cover it up while all this is happening, else it's going to splash all over your kitchen, giving you unwanted work. Just remember to cover it, but leave a little escape for the vapor. So we're going to cook this for at least 20 to 25 minutes. Obviously remembering to stir every now and then, and at this point your stew should be looking like this. So this is where we're going to add our bay leaves, our stock cube, and this is when I also add my meat because we're almost done, and I like my meat to remain crunchy, so I always add it towards the end of the cooking process. Now what is left to do is to cover this and let the vapor melt all the flavors for them to merge together for about 5 minutes, and we're done. But first, remember to taste for salt. If you feel you need to add more, just add. I didn't because I feel with the stock and everything it was already enough salt. So yeah, you do you. Et voila, les jeux sont faits. I hope I got that right. It's the color, the aroma, and the taste for me. And I hope this was quite easy to follow. So I'm going to enjoy my with some rice, because that's the first thing that comes into my mind when I look at a stew like this. And you do whatever you please with it. So as usual, if you loved what you saw, if you like what you see, Please do not forget to support this channel by subscribing, liking, and sharing. Yeah, tell a friend to tell a friend. And hey, let me also know what you think in the comment section below. Till next time, it's bye-bye for now.